all you need to make gum paste are eggs, icing sugar, and you need some tylose. Well, also a little Crisco or some kind of lard or something, white fat of some kind. Right? So that's what you need: tylose, eggs, icing sugar or confectioner's sugar, and a little Crisco. So I'm gonna break these eggs. It's not really egg, you just need the white of the eggs. So I'm just gonna break these eggs and take out the white. Separate, separate the eggs from the white, the yellow, from the white. And I'm gonna do both of these. And this is how I do it. I just break off one side, throw one side over there, let the liquid fall down there, and then so I'm gonna drop these in here. If you're making, this is a holiday season, if you're making anything that needs egg, the yellow of the egg, you can put it in it, like a custard or eggnog. Anyway, so I'm gonna drop them in my food processor here, and I'm not gonna let you listen to the noise, but I'm gonna break it up. Just let it go a little bit, not too, you're not gonna make it frothy or anything, just breaking up the egg whites, and we'll continue adding we'll add the sugar. So I've sifted the sugar, and I'm gonna start adding it, but this is gonna make a lot of noise, so I'm gonna put like maybe half a cup in there, and we turn it on low, and let it mix. And once it's mixed, I'll keep adding the sugar until it's all mixed in. I put 3, and I'm waiting to see the consistency, because some eggs are larger than some. Some egg whites might be more, some might be less. So, it's about 2 eggs and 4 cups of sugar, about. So, depends on the size of your egg. So I'll continue doing this, and when it's fluffed up, I'll show you what it should look like. So we've beaten it, and it's at this what we call soft peak stage. So you can see it's sticking on. This is actually royal icing. This is how they make royal icing: egg whites and royal and icing. But we're going a little further with it. We're gonna make gum paste. Gum paste is what we use for flowers, all those beautiful flowers. I'm gonna put a link in this video of some of the wedding cakes other cakes that I did and made my own flowers using the same gum paste. All right, so now we're gonna add the tylose. So I'm putting this back on here. I'm gonna add the tylose powder, and we're adding it. It's 6 teaspoons of tylose. You can double it and use 8 cups of sugar to 12 teaspoons of tylose. I only use 4 cups of sugar, so I'm putting in 4 teaspoons. 6 teaspoons of tylose, and this is gonna get tight now. It's gonna get tighter and tighter, and then I have to roll it out. So I'm adding 1, and I'm sprinkling it around. I'm not gonna add all of them one time, and then you start the process again, and you add until. So I've added all 6 teaspoons of tylose. Can you see? I'm not sure you can see. Anyway, it's now thick and hard, so I'm gonna roll it out. So I've now taken out the dough out of the container, and I'm gonna add some Crisco. This is where the Crisco come in. I'm gonna have to put all of it. I'll put some, and we're gonna start rolling it and kneading it out. This does make a mess, but it's okay. It comes out in the end. It works out in the end. And it depends on what you're trying to achieve. So you use this to make flowers and all kind of other stuff that you want to make. And it feels fluffy right now, but it will you just gotta keep rolling it. Make sure you put some icing sugar, lay out some icing sugar before you start rolling it up. And I'm trying to get it together, mixed in with the with the Crisco. Some more. These are soft. It's kind of hard right now because you know it's fluffy when you have it in the egg white with the egg, when you have the egg whites and the. So guys, this is the result of the you know, the ending of the gum paste. I'm gonna wrap it in foil and put it away for a day or two, and then I'll start making flowers with it. Also have to make it, you know, it's Christmas time. See, it's soft. It should be soft like this, but not sticky. If you push your finger in it and it's sticky, you need more icing sugar. All right, so that's the end of that. Hope you'll make some, and for you know, to make flowers and stuff. I'm gonna put a few pictures of cakes that I made using